Biodiversity is a term that represents the total variety of all life among us. That's a big thing to sum up.
Thousands of different world habitats, millions of different species, billions of different individuals, and the trillions of different characteristics they all have.
The total biodiversity of our planet is immense, which is a good thing.
Because the more biodiversity, the more secure all life is, including ourselves.
Only when life is at its most varied, vigorous biodiversity can we hope to thrive.
Hello everyone, so now we're at Zoo Negara. Now I want to talk about EX-SITU conservation in Malaysia. EX-SITU is placed at an established conservation area in human-controlled setting environment. There's so many EX-SITU conservation in Malaysia, including Zoo Negara. Zoo Negara is the Malaysia's largest zoo, covering 44 hectares or 110 acres, making it twice as big as the second largest zoo, Malacca Zoo. It was officially opened on November 14, 1963 by the country's first Prime Minister Tunku Abdul Rahman. The zoo is managed by a non-governmental organisation known as the Malaysian Zoological Society, and the president of the zoo is Tan Sri B.M. Hussain. The exhibits are specially arranged around a scenic lake landscape with nature trees. For your information, Zoo Negara will celebrate its 60th anniversary in this November.
So, we arrived at the Zoo Negara Malaysia. So, I am Muhammad Syahim bin Muhammad Samsul. Going to talk about the Zoo Negara Malaysia, which is also known as the National Zoo or National Zoo Malaysia. It's one of the most prominent and well-established zoos in the country. Located just outside of the Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's capital city, the zoo serves several essential functions and has a significant impact on wildlife, conservation, education and tourism. Here are some aspects of Zoo Negara. So first and foremost, we got the zoo, the size and layout of the zoo. The zoo covers an extensive area and features a diverse collection of animals, including both native and exotic species. It is divided into various zones, each designated to represent different ecosystems and regions. So it's also the zoos itself located at the Ulu Kelang, Gombak District, Selangor, Malaysia. Okay, I think that's all from me, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video, and see you soon. Bye.
You must be wondering what is the purpose of ex-situ conservation? So, the main purpose of ex-situ conservation is to support conservation by ensuring the survival of threatened species and the maintenance of associated genetic diversity. Here at National Zoo Malaysia, we can find a lot of endangered and rare species of animals such as the Malayan tigers. Behind me, you can see the Borneo pygmy elephant, Malayan tapir, false gharial, and milky storks. Besides that, the purpose of zoo includes to provide an outstanding and dynamic habitat for animals and plant life and incorporating high-quality animal healthcare and husbandry. Lastly, is to collaborate and disseminate scientific knowledge to local, regional, and worldwide zoos through a science-based approach to wildlife management.
Hello guys, so today I'll be explaining to you. Allah!
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Come, let's ask the public.
You're right. Yes.
Sorry, sorry to miss. So I noticed that you guys are very interested with the Malayan tiger, right?
Yes.
But do you guys know what is the type of species for the Malayan tiger?
Yes, of course I know. It's a reptile, right?
No, you said you know, but that is the wrong answer. It actually mammal. So, mammal is one of the type of species that we have in Zoo Negara. So, and for your information, Malayan tiger is one of the endangered species that we have in our world. So, this is why it is put into the Zoo Negara. Welcome to the aviary of birds. So let's go. Come. So as you can see, we can see a lot of birds, type of birds in this place, which is Zoo Negara. For an example, we have stork, we have duck, and also we have chicken. So what I am trying to say to you that in Zoo Negara, we also have birds. That is one of the type of animal that we can find in Zoo Negara. Hello, so we're back again. So I will explain to you what other type of animal or species that we have in Zoo Negara, which is, come here, look closer. This one, as you can see, there, it is albino African cloud frog. So as we all know, frog is amphibians, and there are a lot of species of frog that we can see over here. So which means other type of animal that we have in Zoo Negara is amphibians. So we also have invertebrates, which is one of the example is spider, but more specifically known as charcoal golden knee. And we also have Brazilian black and white tarantula and many more invertebrates in this place. So we already seen invertebrates, mammals, amphibians, and also birds. Fish is also a type of animal. So as you can see, there are tons of fish in this aquarium that is placed inside the Zoo Negara. So what I'm trying to say is Zoo Negara also have type of species which is the fishes. Look closer to the fish. So hello guys, now we are at the reptile place in Zoo Negara. So this is also one of the type of animal that we have in Zoo Negara. For an example of reptile, we have Argentina black and white tegu. Come closer and enjoy it yourself. And also we have snakes. albino Burmese python, and they are not the only reptile that we have in Zoo Negara, but there are a lot more and very small. Stay tuned.
We already explained a lot about ex-situ conservation, but do we realize why is this important? Let me explain about the importance of ex-situ conservation. Firstly, is to keep the animals safe from external threats, such as predators and poachers. In a controlled environment with all their needs provided, they were given enough meals per day, and the tourists can also give them food. This proves that the zoo are taking care of the animal well-being. Next, ex-situ conservation is to preserve the biodiversity to our future generation. What will the world be without wildlife? Like I said before, zoo is a safe place that protects endangered species from the external threats. For instance, in Zoo Negara, animals such as the false gharial and the milky storks are highly endangered wildlife that is not so well known compared to the Malayan tiger or the Bornean orangutan. Zoo Negara has managed to breed these two species, and they are currently working with the local wildlife department in releasing them back into the wild. This proves that ex-situ conservation is a successful way to help the animal from extinct. Lastly, it's for research purposes. Researchers, students from the zoology, biology, and veterinary fields have a multitude of choices when doing their research at the zoo. For example, Zoo Negara itself have more than 400 species to choose from. This proves that ex-situ conservation help the students to get extra knowledge about their studies.